On your own, try to solve this problem using the standard algorithm. Once you're finished, unpause the video and check your work. So I'm going to begin with 7 ones and 7 tenths, and I'm dividing that into 4 equal groups. So let's start with our largest place value. How many times can I divide 7 by 4 equally? Well, that will just go one time, or there will be one 1 in each group of 4. So I'm using 4 of those ones. How many ones would I have remaining? That is 3 ones. Now I can go ahead and bring my decimal up in my answer. Now, I'm going to unbundle those ones, and those are going to turn into 30 tenths, and I already have 7 tenths there. So when I drop that down, that becomes 37 tenths. How many times can I divide 37 equally into 4 groups? That's 9 times. How many tenths did I use if I put 9 in each group? I would use 36 tenths. How many tenths would I have remaining? I would have 1/10 remaining. Now, we've learned today that we're not going to use remainders. We're going to add a 0 to the end of this number, which represents that when we unbundle that 1/10, it becomes 10 hundredths. When I divide 10 hundredths into groups of 4, how many would each group get? Each group would get 2 hundredths. So I would use a total of 8 of those hundredths. When I subtract, I'm left with 2 hundredths. What should I do now? I can unbundle those 2 hundredths and cash them in, and they would become 20 thousandths. 20 thousandths divided by 4 can be divided how many times equally? That's 5. So each group would get 5 thousandths. How many of those thousandths would I use if I divided equally into those 4 groups? I would use all 20. So in our standard algorithm, our answer is 1 and 925 thousandths.